Have you ever accidentally triggered Emergency SOS on your Android phone? It can happen more easily than you might think, especially if you press the power button multiple times by mistake. If you'd rather disable this feature, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you to turn off Emergency SOS on your Android device. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you'll find most of your device's important options and security features. Next, scroll down until you see Safety and Emergency, then tap on it. Depending on your phone's brand or Android version, the menu layout may look slightly different, but the option is usually in the same general area. Now tap Emergency SOS. Here you'll see the settings that control what happens when Emergency SOS is activated. Some phones allow you to quickly call emergency services, share your location with trusted contacts, or start an emergency recording. To disable the feature, simply tap the toggle switch next to Emergency SOS and turn it off. If your phone asks you to confirm the change, tap Confirm or Turn Off to save the new setting. Once the toggle is disabled, Emergency SOS will no longer activate accidentally when the shortcut buttons are pressed. Keep in mind that turning off this feature means you won't be able to use it during an emergency unless you enable it again later. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Android tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.